everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Shailaja Dhumar, your literacy subject teacher. Okay, so children, I hope you have settled already with literacy book kit. Yes, now come to page number 7777. In the previous session we have started new content which is question words. Okay, so take your literacy skill book and come to page number 7777. So children, I hope you have opened this page. Question words, new content we are going to study today. From previous session already we have started, but there are some examples which we are going learn in detail. So new content which is question word, page number 7777. Okay, now what is the meaning of question word? What does it mean? We use some words in English to ask, to request for the information. जिन प्रश्नों के उत्तर हमें हाँ या ना में नहीं देने के लिए आते या फिर नहीं देना चाहिए, उसके लिए in English we use some words. तो हम लोग इंग्लिश में ऐसे कुछ प्रश्नवाचक शब्द है जो हम यूज करते हैं. Those are which माने कौन सा, when कब, what क्या, how कैसे, whose किसका, where कहाँ, why क्यों, who कौन. Okay, now these are the words which we have learned in the previous session, but there are some examples which we are going to learn in detail. So for that, come to page number 7878 and sharpen your pencil. Okay, so children, I hope you have opened page number 7878. Okay, so these are the sentences, these are the examples. इसमें अभी कुछ examples है जिसके answers हम लोग देखने वाले हैं या फिर कुछ questions है जो हम लोग अभी पढ़ने वाले हैं. This is the practice sheet. Okay, so what is this? Here some questions are there on this practice sheet. Some questions are there, but if you will see here blank space is there. Why they have kept blank space? Because if you will see in this helping box, there are some words, there are some question words. Okay, so ये जो suitable question words है, कौन से sentence में लिखना है वो अभी हमें decide करना है. माने decide करना है माने ये जो words है वो कहाँ पे आने वाले हैं ये हमें अभी यहाँ पर लिखना है. एंड इसमें से समझ में आएगा, इसकी वजह से अभी हमें ये प्रैक्टिस शीट हम लोग जब सॉल्व करेंगे, ओके, ये सॉल्व करते समय हमें समझ में आएगा कि ये जो क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स है हमें कितना समझा है, ये हमारा जो कंटेंट है ये हमें कितना समझा है. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस प्रैक्टिस शीट. वी विल कम टू नो वेदर वी हैव अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंटेंट और नो, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द करेक्ट question words in this sentences. Can you see this blank space? Yes. Now here if you will see, this box is there. Now the question is, complete the question using correct question words from the help box. Complete the questions using correct question words from the help box. ये जो questions है ना वो हमें complete करने हैं with the help of this box. Okay children. Now what is this? What is this? What is this? This is a house, but if you will see, dash do you live? Dash do you live? Children, मैंने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है? What teacher ask you? What is this? What माने क्या? ये क्या है? Now you have to give the answer in full sentence. This is a house. ये क्या है? घर है. Another question if you will see, use your logic. Okay? Observation आपका बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए बच्चे. See, now here in blank space, where do you live? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? ओके, तो हम लोग क्या यूज करने वाले हैं? Where, when, which, where. WHERE, where. Where माने कहाँ? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हो? In a house. In a house. Okay. So what we are going to write over here? WHERE, where. Come on, write with teacher. Given dot because we have used this question word. Now children see. यहाँ पे एक नोट ये है कि जब भी आप किसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखते हो, whenever you are going to write the answer, that time first letter it should be in capital. Also whenever you are asking, also whenever you are writing the question, that time also first letter should be in capital letter. Okay, so in the capital letter W, H, E, R, E. Say and write all of you. W, H, E, R, E. Where माने कहाँ? Where do you live? Where do you live? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? In a house. The answer is in a house. See children, here picture clues are also there. Okay, now yes, now children tell me, dash dash color is Jenny's dress. Okay, तो यहाँ पे in question word में से कौन सा word आएगा यहाँ पर? Dash dash color is Jenny's dress. Come on, use your logic. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? कौन सा कलर है जेनी के ड्रेस का? कौन सा? इन हिंदी भी से कौन सा? इन इंग्लिश व्हेन, विच माने कौन सा? विच कलर इज जेनीज ड्रेस? कौन सा कलर है जेनी के ड्रेस का? यस, जेनी का जो ड्रेस है उस ड्रेस का कलर कौन सा है? सो व्हाट विल यूज? विच. W कैपिटल लेटर्स में लिखना है WH WHIC H, which. WHICH, which. Say and write everyone. WH capital letter W, H, I hope you can see it properly. WHICH, which. WHICH, which color is Jenny's dress? So which color is Jenny's dress? Red color. Which color? Red color. Okay, next sentence. So children, how many cups are there? 4 cups. Okay, dash dash many cups are there. Come on, tell me which word will come here? Already I asked the question. Come on, say what I should write here. Yes, when, which, where, how, कितने. How many cups are there? कितने cups है? So we'll write capital letter H. टीचर ने ऑलरेडी आपको आंसर बताया था, है ना? HOW. How many cups are there? So children, how many cups are there? 4 cups. Okay. Last one. Dash dash is your birthday. We have used till here. Now which one is remaining? When. When माने कब? तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है? When is your birthday? तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है? In June. Yes, in June. So write here capital letter W, H, E, N. W, H, E, N. When is your birthday? In June. कौन से मंथ में तुम्हारा बर्थडे या फिर तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है? मेरा बर्थडे कब है? जून में. Okay children, so I hope you have understood till here. Yes, shall we go further? I'll just wait for 2-3 seconds. So children, repeat after teacher. Okay, now see, we are not okay, fine. Chalo, repeat after teacher. PRACTICE. Practice. COMPLETE. Complete. THE, say it loudly and clearly. QUES. TIONS. Questions. USING, using. CORRECT, correct. QUESTION, question. WORDS, words. FROM, from. THE, the. HELP, help. BOX, box. Complete the questions using correct question words. Using correct question words from the help box. From the help box. WHEN, when. WHICH, which. WHERE, where. HOW, how. WHERE, where. DO, do. YOU, LIVE, where do you live. IN, in. HOUSE, house. Okay, now children, now onwards, now today onwards, whatever we are going to read, directly we are going to read it. Okay, now we are not going to read with the letters, directly we are going to read the sentences. Okay, say, which color is Jenny's dress? Red color. How many cups are there? 4 cups. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? In June. Okay children, now come to page number 7979. Come to page number 7979. Have you opened this page, everyone? Now here is one more practice sheet is there. Okay, see, complete the questions with the correct question words from the help box. Okay children, what, whose, why, who. Okay, now in the first sentence, if you will see first sentence, dash dash ate the chocolate. मुझे क्वेश्चन करना है कि चॉकलेट किसने खाए हैं, तो मैं क्या पूछूंगी? यस, WHAT व्हाट माने क्या, WHOSE whose माने किसका, WHY why क्यों, WHO who किसका, why माने क्यों, who माने किसका. सो डैश डैश एट द चॉकलेट, किसने चॉकलेट्स खाए हैं, तो मुझे क्या यूज करना है, WHO, राइट हियर, WHO, who ate the chocolates, चॉकलेट्स जो है किसने खाए हैं, I ate, मैंने खाए हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नेक्स्ट, डैश डैश इज ही रनिंग, डैश डैश इज ही रनिंग. आंसर इज बिकॉज ही इज लेट. यहां पे क्या आएगा, वाई ही इज रनिंग, वो क्यों रनिंग कर रहा है, वो क्यों भाग रहा है. वाई माने क्यों, वाई ही इज रनिंग, वो क्यों भाग रहा है. द आंसर इज बिकॉज ही इज लेट, क्योंकि वो लेट आया है इसलिए वो रनिंग कर रहा है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, डैश डैश पेंसिल इज दिस. अबे ये जो पेंसिल है वो किसी से रिलेट करती है, किसी व्यक्ति से, लेकिन हमें पता नहीं है. ओके, तो मुझे क्वेश्चन करना है ना, whose pencil is this. whose माने किसकी, कौन, तो तो राइट हियर WHOSE, whose pencil is this? ये जो पेंसिल है वो किसकी है? मेरी है, my pencil. ओके, लास्ट पिक्चर. मुझे पूछना है क्या टाइम हुआ है. ओके, अगर मुझे पूछना है क्या टाइमिंग हुआ है और क्या टाइम हुआ है, देन व्हाट आई विल आस्क, व्हाट आई विल यूज, व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? यस, WHAT, व्हाट इज द टाइम? क्या बजे है अभी, क्या टाइमिंग हुआ है? सो इट इज 8 o'clock. WHAT, व्हाट is the time? Okay children, have you completed till here? Now repeat after teacher. Say, practice, complete the questions with the correct question words, from the help box. What? WHAT, what? WHOSE, whose? WHY, why? WHO, who? Who ate the chocolates? I ate. Why is he running? Because he is late. Whose pencil is this? My pencil. What is the time? 8 o'clock. Okay, now children, take your literacy subject workbook. Till here I hope you have completed. Okay, now take your workbook. So children, I hope you have opened the page. Yes, have you opened the page? Yes, page number 3131. Question words. Complete the sentences with the correct question words. आपको क्या करना है? These are the sentences. Okay, with the help of these question words you have to complete these sentences. So this will be your homework, right upper side, HW homework. Yes, with the help of question words you have to complete it. Now come to page number 3 to 32. So children, I hope you have written upper side HW homework on page number 31. Now come to page number 3434. Yes, we have learned this already in phonics skill book. Okay, so what you are going to do is short A sound, add a letter to the blends to form new words. Okay, these are the examples: CAB cab, CAB cab, JAB jab, JAB jab, NAB nab, NAB nab. Here's examples are there. Yeah, you have to complete this page. Okay, now see BAD bad, DAD dad. Next is SAD sad. Like example, see here. BAD bad, DAD dad, SAD sad. Okay, here if you will see, letters are given. Okay, with the help of this letter you have to complete these 3 letter words. Okay, so this will be your homework, right upper side HW homework. Yes, already we have learned this in phonics skill book. Okay children, now come to page number 3535. Here also you are going to write the HW. Look and color the correct word box. Okay, now if you will see in the first picture, one container is there. Okay, so this container, what we call to this? We are going to recognize this. Sad, jam, cab or fan. So what is this? This is a jam. Now children, what you are going to do is look and color the correct word box. Look and color the correct word box. Here one box is there. In that boxes words are there, and in front of those words pictures are given. So you have to recognize the correct picture with correct word and you are going to color this. Okay, so teacher is not having color currently, but you are having crayons, right? With the whichever your favorite color is there, with that you are going to color this. Okay, so this will be your homework. Okay, ये आपको जो pictures है उसको recognize करना है और उस box में color करना है. Example, what is this? Is this a sad picture, cab or fan? This is a jam. So we have given the color. So this will be your homework. Okay. So children, I hope you have understand the content which is question words. Okay. Also I gave you the homework you have to complete at your home. If you have any doubts, you can take the help from your parents also. Yes. So you have to complete those homework, and children, I hope the content which we have learned, which is question word, we can call it WH question also. So I hope you have understood that content. So we are concluding over here. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.